Did you know one simple kitchen ingredient could secretly improve your blood flow and spark intimacy after 60? It's sitting in your cupboard right now, and no, it's not what you think. In just a minute, I'll reveal how drinking this the right way can support your heart, energy, and confidence. But before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe for more health secrets, and comment, "Ready," if you're excited to learn. And don't forget to share this with someone who'd love it too. Lesson 1. The kitchen remedy that supports better blood flow. Did you know that one of the most powerful health boosters for better blood flow and energy might already be in your kitchen cupboard? It's true, and no, I'm not talking about some fancy supplement or exotic herb. I'm talking about plain, everyday baking soda. Yes, that humble white powder we've all used to clean our sinks or bake fluffy biscuits has surprising properties that researchers are beginning to appreciate. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can help balance your body's pH and may reduce inflammation, which plays a big role in restricting blood flow, especially as we age. Now, why does this matter? Because good blood circulation is like the oil in an engine. It keeps everything running smoothly, delivering oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout your body. And when your circulation slows down after 60, it can leave you with cold hands and feet, brain fog, low energy, and yes, even intimacy struggles. A study from 2018 showed that small, regular amounts of baking soda reduced inflammation markers in humans and animals. Inflammation stiffens arteries and narrows blood vessels, limiting the essential flow your body needs. That's where baking soda may quietly help by calming inflammation and supporting better blood vessel function. It's not a miracle cure, and it won't replace a healthy lifestyle, but paired with smart habits, it might give you a little extra edge. In the next lesson, you'll see how blood flow is directly tied to your intimacy and energy. Stay with me, this is where things get interesting. Lesson 2. Why blood flow affects intimacy more than you think. Let's talk about something we don't discuss enough: intimacy and confidence after 60. Many people quietly accept a drop in their intimate life as just part of getting older. But here's a little known truth: often, it's not age that slows things down, it's poor circulation. Think about it, your body relies on good blood flow for nearly every function, including intimacy. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, and nutrients to your muscles and organs, including those responsible for intimate moments. When your circulation is weak, you may notice numbness, low stamina, and a decreased desire for connection. And here's where it gets more personal, because intimacy isn't just about physical closeness. It's about confidence, vitality, and feeling good in your skin. Poor circulation can lead to cold extremities, fatigue, and even mood changes, making you feel withdrawn or anxious. That's why natural methods to boost circulation matter. Baking soda, by reducing inflammation and promoting better blood vessel function, may play a subtle but supportive role in restoring what you thought was lost. Combined with regular walks, stress management, and healthy foods, you might just notice a spark return. And it's never too late, whether you're 60, 70, or 80. In our next lesson, I'll share exactly how to safely use baking soda for health benefits, without overdoing it. Let's keep going. Lesson 3. The safe way to use baking soda for health benefits. Now that you know how important good blood flow is for both energy and intimacy, and how baking soda might help, let's talk about the right way to use it. Because like any home remedy, it's not about piling it on, it's about balance and safety. Here's a simple method that's been used for years. Take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Dissolve it in a glass of water, 8-10 ounces. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Why on an empty stomach? Because it gives your body a clean slate to absorb and balance its effects without interference from food. Now, it's crucial to note, this isn't something to do daily forever. Use it occasionally, or in short stretches, like 3 to 5 days, and then take a break. Too much baking soda can lead to high sodium levels, bloating, or even more serious issues like alkalosis. Who should avoid this? People with high blood pressure, heart issues, or on a low sodium diet. And of course, always check with your doctor first. It's a small step, but when done wisely, it can be part of a holistic plan to support circulation and overall wellness. In our next lesson, I'll show you how to supercharge this simple remedy with daily habits anyone over 60 can do. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Lesson 4. Pair this drink with these easy daily habits. Okay, you've got your baking soda drink recipe. But here's the truth, no single remedy works in isolation. The real magic happens when you combine simple habits that naturally support circulation and energy. Let's start with walking. Just 20 minutes a day, even around the house or in your yard, stimulates blood flow, reduces inflammation, and lifts your mood. Walking increases nitric oxide, a compound your body makes to relax blood vessels and improve flow. Next is deep breathing. Sounds too easy, right? But taking 5 minutes a day to inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and slowly exhale through your mouth improves oxygen levels and circulation. Now, let's add a few superfoods. Beets, naturally rich in nitrates that help open blood vessels. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, packed with circulation-supporting nutrients. Pomegranate juice, a natural blood flow booster. These easy, natural additions enhance the benefits of your baking soda drink. Together, they create a simple, realistic plan to feel better, move easier, and even rekindle a little spark. Our final lesson will cover an important warning: who should skip the baking soda trick, and why. Lesson 5, who should skip this trick and why. As exciting as it sounds to use a kitchen remedy for better blood flow and intimacy, it's important to be honest, baking soda isn't for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney issues, or are on a low-sodium diet, it's best to avoid this remedy or talk to your doctor first. Baking soda is high in sodium, and while small amounts can be safe for healthy people, it can be risky for those with underlying conditions. Also, if you're on prescription medications, adding baking soda can interfere with how your body absorbs certain drugs. Signs you might be overdoing it include nausea, bloating, increased thirst, headaches, high blood pressure. The rule here is simple: moderation and wisdom. Natural remedies should always work with your body, not against it. If you're in good health, an occasional small dose might support circulation. But never skip your checkups or medical advice. And remember, the most powerful remedy is still a good attitude. Daily movement, healthy food, and meaningful connection with loved ones. Finally, and there you have it, 5 simple, powerful lessons to help improve your blood flow, energy, and intimacy naturally after 60. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and it's never too late to take charge of your health. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and drop a comment below telling me which lesson you'll try first. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one who could use a little extra spark too. Stay vibrant, stay connected, and I'll see you in